Okay, I guess we are live. Just let me check, check. Mm, yes. Hello, everybody, and welcome to yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders. I hope all of you had a blast of a day. So here we are with yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders. And today we are doing the most requested chapter, which is nothing but exponents and powers of your grade 7. So first of all, let me see how many of you here are back on time. Hi Shreya. Ma'am, don't take doubt which I send in form. Acha, why? Hi Sanskriti, hi Face On. Hello everybody, and welcome to the class. I can see 32 people live. That's amazing. Guys, do not forget to hit the like button if you haven't hit the like button yet. This is a series called Study with Me, where you can ask your doubts in every chapter. Well, every session we'll be doing one chapter, and you can ask that doubts related to that in the Google form, which I'll be leaving in the description box of all of my videos. ठीक है? Remember, grade 6th के लिए अलग है, 7th के लिए अलग है, इसीलिए you have to go to the grade 7th का Google form. ठीक है? Okay? चलो. So who else is here? Hi Ritika, hi Shrikanta, hi Gurleen, hi Abhiram, hi Tanvi, hi Chakshu. मैम आप कब सोते हो? मैं रात को अराउंड 11:30 12 के बीच में सो जाती हूँ. बहुत लेट है पर क्या कर रहे हैं, अब 10 बजे तो सेशन का निपटा रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. हाय अरुण, हाय अर्पित. ओके, हेलो. हाय विष्णुप्रिया. Welcome to the session. Hi Anya Pandey. Definitely I remember you, bacha. So this is the session about live doubt solving, because I feel doubt solvings are one of the major and most important part of learning for a student. ठीक है? So do not forget, you can fill out the Google form and ask your doubts. अगला चैप्टर होगा rational numbers for grade 7. So rational numbers का whatever doubts you have, you can put the description box में, you can already find the Google form. ठीक है? आज मेरा थोड़ा दिमाग कम काम कर रहा है because I'm having a little cold and my head is just hurting, and Bangalore weather is just मतलब just freezing. I don't know how people in North India are existing and living and surviving at this period, क्योंकि बैंगलोर के ठंड में ही मैं almost I'm already half dead. Anyways, yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is haripriya.vedantu. And yet another amazing news I want to tell you guys is we are launching a new Telugu channel which is coming very soon. So watch out this space, and everybody who understands Telugu or who is from the region of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Now this is the channel for you guys, but ये 9th and 10th के लिए होगा, so don't worry. If you have any cousins and all, do let them know about this, and I would love to interact with you. Launch बहुत जल्द होने वाला है. I'll be letting you know about the launch and all very soon. ठीक है? तो चलो we'll start without wasting any time. Now I will be providing you the Zoom link after 20 to 25 minutes of the session. पहले मैं सारे doubts लेना चाहती हूँ, जो doubts मुझे पूछा गया है in Google form. ठीक है? So there are few students who have asked doubts in the Google form for exponents and powers. I'll first take those doubts and then we will get on to the Zoom call. ठीक है? And then I will ask out whatever doubts you have. You can talk to me and tell your doubt. ठीक है? Done? Hello sir. Hi ma'am. Hi Vikash. Hi, welcome Kusum. No class of SST for class 7th. There is no classes. Yes, there are classes. Surabhi ma'am is taking them. Okay. Hi Shreya Bacha, I definitely remember you. Let us get started. Now, some student named Haripriya, which is mostly Ansh, has asked this doubt. Example 6 not understood. He did not understand example 6. Example 6 में क्या है? They've asked 1 to the power 5 minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 4 minus 10 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 4. So they've asked us to simplify this. Now, before I get started on with this one, two things you'll have to remember. If you have a negative number to the power an odd number, the answer will be negative. If you have a negative number to the power an even number, the answer will be a positive integer. Now, look at the first example here. 1 to the power 5. Now, the base is not a negative number. So, you're just multiplying 1 with itself 5 times. So, what would that be? 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, and the 1 as it is, 1 into 1, 1, and 1 as it is. So, there you go. The answer is 1. Now, minus 1 to the power 3. What do? You're multiplying your minus 1 3 times. So, minus 1 into minus 1 will give you 1. Multiply that with minus 1. Now, the answer will be minus 1. So, did you notice? You had a negative integer minus 1 to the power an odd number. The answer will be a negative number. Now, when I take minus 1 to the power 4. Now, 4 is an even number. So, the answer is a positive integer. Minus 10 to the power 3. Negative number to the power an odd number. The answer will be negative. Minus 5 to the power 4. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. There you go. 625. Okay? Okay. Hi Vikas, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for answering. Okay, let us get started. 697. Do not take my doubt. I didn't understand. Like, do not take my doubt. Matlab kya? Anyways, let us get started with the second question, which is 13.3 question number 2. Now, find the number from each of the following expanded forms. Now, basically, it's given in an expanded form. You will have to find what number is it. So, 8 multiplied with 10 to the power 4. Now, guys, what is 10 to the power 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hai? So, this is going to be 80,000 plus 6 multiplied with 1,000 plus 0, because anything multiplied with 0 is 0, plus 4 multiplied with 10 plus 5 multiplied with 1, because anything to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Hai na? So now what will we do? Just multiply 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 40 plus 5. Cool. Now this is the exact same thing that we have learned what in LKG, UKG, first, second standard. It's just that now powers are getting involved here. Okay? Powers are getting involved and nothing else. Okay. Now Sugandha has asked 13.2 question number 4 and question number 5. We will do both. Now this is question number 4. Expand each of the following as the product of prime factors only in exponential form. Now for this, you can do your prime factorization method. Okay, you have already done prime factorization in grade 6, hai na? So you have to use your prime factorization, prime factorize both the numbers 108 and 92 and multiply. Now, when you find the factors of 108, it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 is getting multiplied with itself 2 times. So it is 2 to the power 2. So it's actually 2 to the power 2 multiplied with 3 to the power 3. And what about 192? You can write it as 2 to the power 6 multiplied with 3. Now here is where we will be using the first law of exponent. 2 square multiplied with 3 cube multiplied with 2 to the power 6 multiplied with 3. So you can say 2 square multiplied with 2 to the power 6, put it in the bracket, multiplied with 3 to the power 3 multiplied with 3 to the power 1. 3 is nothing but 3 to the power 1. Now what is happening here? The bases are the same, but the powers are different and they are multiplying here. The two exponents are getting multiplied. So they are of the form a to the power n multiplied by a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m plus n. So what will happen here? 2 to the power 6 plus 2, which is 8, multiplied with 2 to the power 3 plus 1, which is 4. This is how you're going to end it. Similarly, 270 also can be written like this. It is 2 to the power 1 multiplied with 3 to the power 3 multiplied with 5 to the power 1. ठीक है? Okay, this is how you will have to do. Now, the next question is 13.1 question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. Now guys, be it variables, be it constants, it does not matter. Exponents and powers are applicable to all of them. So if you are multiplying your a 3 times, the base a will remain as it is, to the power 3. Now c is getting multiplied how many times? 4 times. So it is c to the power 4 multiplied with d to the power 1. This is how you write it in exponential form. That's it. Simple. Okay? Okay? Very amazing. So guys, before we move forward, if you like the video, do not forget to, if you are understanding and you're liking this entire concept of study with me, do not forget to hit the like button. And agar aap yahan pe naye ho, if you are a new student on Vedantu Young Wonders, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Because when you hit the bell icon, you will be notified regarding all the classes that will be happening on the platform. ठीक है? Okay? चलो. Next, 13.1 question number 3. Everybody, express the following in exponential notations again. It's a number 512. It's the same thing like we have done earlier for 270, 108 and all. Do the prime factorization. Write it like this. Now, this can also be expressed as an exponential form. How? No, it's not 29. Now, 2 is getting multiplied with itself 9 times. So, you can write it as 2 to the power 9. Okay? Hi Sanskriti, thank you so much. Where is the Zoom link? Guys, Zoom link will be given to you at 9:20. 9:20 के बाद Zoom link आ जाएगा. So, make sure that you are joining. ठीक है? Okay? 9:20 के बाद आ जाएगा. Keep checking the description box and definitely we will be, putting up the link there. ठीक है? Okay? Let me just quickly solve all the doubts till then. Now, hi Sachit. 13.1 question number 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Now, 100 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 100. Actually, 2 to the power 100 है, इन्होंने 2 to the power 10 ले लिया है. Clearly, 100 to the power 2 is nothing but 100 into 100, which is 10,000. Now, what about 2 to, 2 to the power, oh, okay, got it. So, यहाँ पे they have taken 2 to the power 10 whole to the power 10, which is nothing but 2 to the power 100, है ना? So, now what is 2 to the power 10? 2 into 2 into 2, 10 times you're multiplying, that will be 1024. Now, 1024 whole to the power 10, you're multiplying that again 10 times. So clearly 2 to the power 100 is greater than 100 to the power 2. Easy peasy. Now, next we will move forward with 13.1 question number 6. 13.1 exercise इतना simple exercise है, मतलब I don't know 1 mark questions आएंगे शायद से उसमें से. Now simplify 2 to the power 4 multiplied with 3 to the power 2. Same. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times into 3 into 3 will give you the answer. ठीक है? Okay. Hi Kusha. After all questions, ma'am will share the Zoom link. Sanskriti, thank you so much for being so nice. Thank you so much, bacha. Guys, if you haven't hit the like button, you know what to do. Yes, hit the like button. Now, 13.1 question number 7. मैंने ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए चुना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे नेगेटिव इंटीजर है. तो -2 to the power 3 will be -2 into -2 into -2 multiplied with -10 into -10 into -10. So you are multiplying a negative integer with an odd exponent. The answer will be negative. Again, a negative integer with an odd exponent. The answer will be negative. You multiply both of them, you will get the answer as 8,000. Very good. Chalo. Next exercise 13.1 question number 8. Now you have to compare 4 to the power 4 multiplied with 10 to the power 14. Yeah, 3 multiplied with 10 to the power 17. Clearly, when you compare the bases here, when the base is 10, when you compare the exponents, you have more zeros here. Suppose you have 900 and 20000. Now clearly this 20,000 is greater than 900, right? Because let the number be whatever, 10 to the power 2, and here it is 2 into 10 to the power 4. It has more zeros, so clearly 3 into 10 to the power 17 is greater. ठीक है? Is 12th chapter? No. Swapna, it is 13th chapter. ठीक है? Okay. Chalo. 13.2 question number 1. Now from here we will be concentrating on the laws of exponent. So now what are all the laws of exponents you need to know? I'm going to write it down here. A to the power m multiplied with a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Now what is happening here? The bases are the same, the exponents are different, and you're multiplying. So what do? Keep the base as it is, add the exponents. Then you have a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which is a to the power m minus n. Now what is happening here? You have exponents and you're dividing them. So keep the base as it is and subtract the exponents. Then a to the power n whole to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m multiplied with n. Now I know there are more, we will be doing that, but these are what we are going to use in few of the questions that we are doing right now. Now first solve whatever is there inside the bracket. I guess the Zoom link is updated, guys. You can join the call. The Zoom link is updated. You can join the Zoom call. And as and when we are finished with the 1 minute, I need to pin myself. Okay. And as and when we अच्छा एक minute and as and when we finish our अरे यार इसी का प्रॉब्लम है as and when we finish our doubts, I will be taking up you all on Zoom call. ठीक है? Okay, चलो, let us get started here. 2 to the power 10 divided by 2 to the power 15. The bases are the same, exponents are different, but you're dividing them. So what do we do here? 2 to the power 20 minus 15. Why? Because you're dividing, so you'll have to subtract the exponents multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Now 2 to the power 20 minus 15 will give you 2 to the power 5 multiplied with 2 to the power 3, right? So you will be having, again, the base will be as it is. You're just adding your exponents. So the answer will be 2 to the power 8. Understood? Okay. Guys, I know a lot of people will be in the waiting room, but I cannot multitask. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे पढ़ाना और वो करना is not done. ठीक है, तो give me some time. Be in the waiting room. You can still watch the live class on YouTube, है ना? To understand what's happening here, understand your doubts, get your doubts clarified. Then I will admit all the participants in the Zoom call at the end. ठीक है? Okay? So don't worry even if you're there in the waiting room. Now, simplify. Now this again is related to the laws of exponents. Let's solve what is written here first. It is of the form a to the power m whole to the power n. So how will you write it? It is a to the power m multiplied with n. So 5 to the power 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. है ना? Awesome. 2 की पावर 20 होगी क्वेश्चन में. कहाँ पे? अच्छा, ठीक है. ओके, यहाँ पे एरर हो गया. ओके, गॉट इट इंग्लिश क्लब, गॉट इट, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, तो यहाँ पे होगा 5 to the power 6 multiplied with 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. यहाँ पे आप फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट यूज करोगे तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 5 to the power 6 plus 4 which is 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. Keep the base as it is. Since division is happening here, you just have to subtract the two numbers and you will be getting the answer. ठीक है? Okay. Now 13.2 question number 2 is a very similar question again. Now 2 to the power 8 multiplied with a to the power 5 divided by 4 cube multiplied with a cube. Now whenever you get questions like that, somehow try to make all the bases as the same number. So यहाँ पे we can somehow make changes and make the base 4 as base 2. How? Because 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. है ना? So 2 to the power 8 multiplied with 8 to the power 5 will be as it is. Now 4 to the power 3 will be 2 square, which is 4 whole to the power 3. Okay. Now here what happened here? It is of the form a to the power 5 divided by a to the power 3, which is equal to a to the power 5 minus 3, which is a to the power 2. So this is how you're going to write this here. Okay. Now you've somehow converted the base 4 as 2. How did you do that? 4 can be written as 2 square, right? So 2 square whole cube will be 2 to the power 6. Again, what is happening here? They're getting divided. So it is 2 to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 6. So that will be 8 minus 6, which is 2. So it is 2 to the power 2 multiplied with a to the power 2, which is 2a whole square. Understood? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box right now. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box right now, everybody. Did you understand this? Yes or no? All good? Yo? Okay, I'm getting a chat here. ठीक है. Awesome. Awesome. Chalo, chalo. Let's move forward. The next question is also based on similar terms. 25 multiplied with 5 square multiplied with t to the power 8 divided by 10 cube multiplied with t to the power 4. Now, 25 can be written as 5 square multiplied with 5 square. Now here, t to the power 8 divided by t to the power 4 can be written as t to the power 4 because 8 minus 4 will give you 4. That's why they have written it here. Now, in the numerator, the bases are the same and you multiply. Keep the base as it is and add your exponents. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 5 to the power 4 multiplied with t to the power 4 divided by 5 cube multiplied with 2 cube. Now, again, they're getting divided here. So, 5 to the power 4 minus 3 multiplied with t to the power 4 whole divided by 2 cube. Now here you cannot simplify it further. So we will just write it as 5 by 8. Oh my god, yeah. 5 by 8 t to the power 4. Okay? Easy peasy everybody. Everybody got it? Devashri, which one should I explain again? This one? You want me to explain this one again? Okay. A lot of people are saying yes. So come on, let's do this again here. So यहाँ पे it's written 25 multiplied with 5 square multiplied with t to the power 8 divided by 10 cube multiplied with t to the power 4. Now 25 can be written as 5 square. Do you all agree? Yes or no? Yes. 25 can be written as 5 square. Come on, quickly tell me in the chat box. Where can I find the link? The link for the Zoom is in the description box of the video. Okay? Now, so 25 can be written as 5 square. This 5 square will be as it is. And here 2 to the t to the power 8 minus 4. Correct? So that will be t to the power 4 here. Now here what is happening? The bases are the same. So keep the base as it is. And you add the exponents. You will be getting 5 to the power 4. Because 2 plus 2. So, and divided by 5 cube multiplied with 2 cube. Now, again, 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3 will give you 5 to the power 1. Your t to the power 4 will remain as it is. 2 to the power 3 will also remain as it is. Okay? 3.2 question number 2. Achha, this one, it's on the same grounds, Devashri. Same thing like we have done. We just manipulated 4 and we have written it as 2 square whole cube. And it became 2 to the power 6. Rest everything we use the same laws of exponents. Okay? So we divided these two here and wrote this. Next we divided these two and we wrote this. Okay, chalo. Before we move forward with the RD Sharma questions, did you understand what all doubts that you guys asked? Yes. Hi Sanskriti, welcome to Vedantu. Okay, now for the RD Sharma questions, if you want to answer, raise your hand. If you're somebody who would willing to answer the first question, raise your hand. Acha, Sanskriti. Okay, Sanskriti, you can unmute yourself. संस्कृति का नहीं हो रहा है. चलो, Kritishna, can you hear me? Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi Kritishna, how are you?
Ma'am, I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also doing good. Where are you from?
Ma'am, I'm from West Bengal.
Awesome, awesome. Chalo, would you like to solve this?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me just quickly write it down for you. There you go. Okay.
So, ma'am, at first, minus 3 by 5 raised to the power 4 equals to minus 81 by 125.
Are you sure you would want to expand it? You can expand it like this, but don't write it in the full form, like minus 81 by 125. Don't do that. Okay, let me solve it for you. Okay? Okay? Kritishna, okay? Okay, I'm not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Guys, let me solve this for you because it's a little lengthy one. So let me do it. Now, 4 by 9 can be written as 2 square by 3 square whole to the power 4. And 15 can be written as minus 15 can be written as minus 3 into 5. And your 18 can be written as 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 2. है ना? Whole to the power 2. Now I am trying to get the bases as 3, 2 or 5. I'm trying to make that way, right? So minus 3 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 4 multiplied with 2 square whole to the power 4 will give you 2 to the power 8 divided by 3 square whole to the power 4. 1 by 3 square whole to the power 4 is nothing but 1 by 3 to the power 2 multiplied with 4, which is 1 by 3 to the power 8. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे we will be writing 3 to the power 8 multiplied with, now minus 3 to the power 2 multiplied with 5 to the power 2 divided by 3 into 3 will give you 3 square. 3 square whole square again here. So it will be 3 to the power 4 multiplied with 2 to the power 2. Now you can cancel out your things here. A lot of things will be cancelled out and lot of things have similar bases. है ना? They are having the same bases. You just have to simplify them using the laws of exponents. Now here they have done a mistake by, don't do this. Guys, this is not how they want you to solve it in the exam. This is wrong. ऐसे मत करना, ठीक है? Okay? After you get the final answer, maybe you can expand and give the answer. But ऐसे बड़े-बड़े expand करके do not give it in the exam, ठीक है? But you don't have taken one of them. So Priya, either you have written the doubts last minute, है ना? Because हमारा form, when did you write your doubt? है ना? When did you write your doubt? Tell me that. आपने अपना doubt कब लिखा? Because what happens is, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि नहीं आज क्लास है तो आज ही हम कंटेंट प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, है ना? We prepare the content 2 days in advance. तो जब क्लास मैंने लिया था day before yesterday, that night only we have got the content, है ना? तो immediately after the class you should ask out. ठीक है? मैं आपको Google form open करके मैं दिखा भी सकती हूँ. See, I had sent them today. कैसे होगा if you send them today? We didn't even check the Google form because yesterday is the last thing. We close it yesterday, है ना? And we start working on the next class, which is tomorrow. Did you understand? So that's how it works. अगर आप ऐसे आज के आज पूछोगे तो नहीं हो पाएगा बच्चा, ठीक है? You can ask it in the live chat right now here. Okay? Thank you for understanding. Okay, simplify x by y whole to the power 2 multiplied with y to the power 24 multiplied with 2 cube whole to the power 4. Now, x by y whole to the power 12 can be written as x to the power 12 divided by y to the power 12 multiplied by y to the power 24 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 into 3 will give you 12. So here you have x to the power 12 and then now y to the power 24 divided by y to the power 12. So that will be y to the power 24 minus 12, which is 12 again, multiplied with 2 to the power 12. So I can write it as 2xy whole to the power 12. Easy peasy? Yes. This is how you will have to write it. ठीक है? Okay? So these are the laws of exponents that we have used. Your next question. Find the value of n in each of the following. Guys, it's a very important question. There will definitely be a question like this. Find the value of n and all. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? On the left hand side, you can see 5 to the power 2n plus 3. I can write it like this because the bases are the same and you're multiplying. So we can keep the base as it is and you can add the exponents. That will give you 5 to the power that is equal to 5 to the power 11. Now the rule here is when the bases are the same, you can equate your exponents. That's it. So you have 2n is equal to 11 minus 3. 4 is the answer. Awesome, awesome. So yes, very good, Kritishna. Thank you for answering. So your n is equal to 4. So what is the value of n? It is equal to 4. Please remember, first use the laws of exponents. Then the bases will be the same. So you can equate your powers and then find the value of n using simple equations. Okay? Now, before we go again, the next class is going to be on 6th of December, matlab Tuesday ko hoga, 9 p.m. live on the chapter Rational Numbers. Now, if you have a doubt, please ask them today or max by tomorrow. ठीक है? अच्छा, ये 6 December है, तो you have time little over the weekend also. You can ask. ठीक है? But please make sure that you are not asking on 6th December. फिर थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Now, how can you ask the doubts? For that you can go to the description box of the video और वहां पे एक Google form आपको दिखेगा. You just have to type your doubts there. Click on the Google form, type and submit. We will take care. ठीक है? Okay. Okay. So before we move forward, ये अभी तक दिख क्यों रहा है? अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay. So before we move forward, I want you guys to quickly. Guys, why is that? ठीक है. Ask out whatever doubts you have. Hi Sanskriti. ऐसे कैसे हो गया? अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, guys, raise your hand if you have a doubt. Raise your hand if you have a doubt. ठीक है. Sanskriti, what is your doubt?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, my doubt is question number 4. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form.
Okay, what is the number?
Again, express each of the
Number. I want the question.
Okay, number 108 multiplied by 192.
Sanskriti, if you have attended the session from the beginning, I have already done the same question. Same question I have done. ठीक है? Yeah. So please see that. ठीक है? Okay. Okay, 1 minute. एक minute देना. Supriya, I'll take it out next. Okay. So Supriya's doubt is 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 multiplied with 2 by 3 whole to the power 6 is equal to 4 by 9 whole square k to the power minus 3. Okay, now this is something confusing. Where is Supriya? Ha. Supriya, can you unmute yourself and tell me what exactly is this?
Yes.
Ha.
Ma'am, the question is saying find the value of k.
Okay, it is 4 by 9 whole to the power.
Ma'am, it's 4 by 9 whole to the power 2k minus 3.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. Okay, you can mute yourself. I'll explain this. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Awesome. So guys, यहाँ पे whenever there is a variable given and if they ask you to find the value of the variable, make sure that the bases are the same on left hand side and right hand side. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? So the bases are the same here. So keep it as it is and use the law of exponent. So 3 plus 6. ठीक है? Now 2 by 9. Sorry, 4 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3 whole square. That will give you 4 by 9 whole to the power 2k minus 3. So what will this happen as? This become as 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 into 2k will give you 4k. 2 into minus 3 will give you minus 6. And this will become 2 by 3 whole to the power 3 plus 6 will give you 9. Now what happened? The bases are the same on left hand side and right hand side. So you can equate the powers. So from here you can find the value of your k. ठीक है? Okay? Now, a lot of doubts in here. Ma'am, my doubt is 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1000 to the power 0. True or false? Okay, Shanvi, that statement here is true because anything to the power 0 will always be equal to 1. Okay? Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 3 to the power 0, 1000 to the power 0, both are 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Okay? Find the value of 20 minus 20 divided by, what is this? Is this normal numbers, Supriya? I don't think it is anything related with exponents here. Okay, Kanishka has a doubt. Kanishka, what is your doubt? Kanishka, you can unmute yourself. Devashri, we have done a similar question.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi Kanishka, good evening. What is your doubt, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. My doubt is change into negative exponent 2 by 3 to the power 3.
एक मिनट. अच्छा, 2 by 3 to the power 3. Kanishka, can you hear me? Kanishka, can you unmute yourself again?
Yes, ma'am.
बस इतना ही है?
Yes, ma'am. इसे negative exponent में change कर.
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, you can mute yourself. I'll tell you how to do it. Now, guys, we have learned a law of exponent where we saw any number to the power a negative exponent, you have to change it into the positive one. How do we do that? We reciprocate the base and make the power positive. ठीक है? Sorry, it will become m. है ना? Now यहाँ पे you already have a positive power 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. Now how do you change the power to a negative one? Reciprocate the base. So it will become 3 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. That's it. That's it. Did you understand? Yes or no? Kanishka, understood? Minus 216 can be expressed as dash power of minus 6. Fill in the blanks. It is minus 6 to the power 3. Just do prime factorization. You will know. Please unmute me. I'm able to write the question over here. Okay, cool. 1 minute. Let me. Supriya, you can unmute yourself. Supriya, you can. Yeah, can you hear me? Supriya, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, now it's better.
Yes, ma'am. So the question is, first in the bracket, 8 to the power 0.
Acha, 8 to the power 0.
Minus 2 power 0.
Okay.
bracket is closed,
and plus divided by, like in the symbol of division.
Like this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, again the bracket starts 8 to the power.
एक मिनट है, मैं यहाँ पे देख लेती हूँ. Now I understood your doubt. So basically this is your doubt, that's it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so anything to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So this will become 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 divided by 2 will give you 0. That's it. Anything to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, whatever the base is, that does not matter. We just have to look at the power.
Exactly. Even if the base is something called minus 7 by 11 to the power 0, it is always equal to 1.
Yeah, ma'am. Now I got.
Awesome.
Ma'am, the sign will be like if that will be like minus 8 to the power 0 and minus 2 to the power 0. So, ma'am, that will be minus 1 or plus 1. Like we have to use the plus.
No, nothing. Not minus 1 plus 1. It's just plus 1. No minus plus.
Okay, so when the power is 0, there will be no negative integer, no positive integer.
Exactly.
Just
When the
one.
power is 0, simply just put 1. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I got it. So,
Your voice is breaking a lot today.
yeah.
I don't know why. ठीक है. Okay, Kritishna. Kritishna, you can unmute yourself. You're welcome, Supriya. Yes, Kritishna, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, why a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1?
Because what is raised to the power something? Suppose you have 2 to the power 2. That means you are multiplying 2 times. You're getting the answer as 4. Now, if I take a number and raise it to the power 0, what does that mean? You're multiplying that number with itself 0 times. Matlab basically it does not exist. It's not existing. So it's just equal to 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because what is raised to the power something? You're multiplying with itself. No. Here you can't say that 7 raised to the power 0 is 0. You can't say that because you get the answer as 0 only when you're multiplying some number with 0. But here you're not multiplying any number with 0. No. So it can't be 0. It is equal to a unit. 1.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Or 1 minute. If A is a rational number and m are neutral numbers, a to the power m multiplied with a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. Okay, what is that, Shanvi? That is true. It's true. Let it be a rational number, integer, whole number, irrational number, anything. All these laws of exponents will work. ठीक है? Okay? Chalo. Awesome. So guys, we're going to end the session here today. Okay? We're going to end the session here. If you have any doubts, okay, Devashri has doubts. Acha, okay. Devashri, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, can I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, my doubt is a power 5 upon a power 3.
Okay.
Ma'am, that is in bracket.
Okay.
Multiply by a power 8.
Okay.
Ma'am, no, that is not in bracket.
अच्छा ठीक है, बताओ. Okay. हाँ. देवश्री, क्या हुआ? Where did you go? Devashri, that's it. This is your doubt? Devashri, you can unmute yourself. बस यही था डाउट?
मैम, इतना ही था.
अच्छा इतना ही था? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे bases same है, तो keep the base as it is, and since you are dividing, so you can subtract your exponents. ठीक है, multiplied with a to the power 8, तो a to the power 5 minus 3 will be 2, multiplied with a to the power 8. तो यहाँ पे base as it is रखो, 8 plus 2 will give you 10, and there you go, you got your answer. ठीक है?
Ma'am, understood now.
Okay, very nice. अच्छा ठीक है, कौन है भाई ये? अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, raised to the power 10, ma'am. I also have a doubt. Kanishka, you have a doubt? 1 minute, where are you? Kanishka, go on. You can, yes, tell me. एक minute, हाँ. Don't tell me find the value of x is the question. कहाँ गए भाई आप? Where are you, Kanishka? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am, mic mute हो गया था.
अच्छा ठीक है.
3 2x multiply e to the power 2 is equals to 3 to the power 8.
3 की power
8.
8. मैंने बोला ऐसे सवाल मत करो क्योंकि 2 बार हम कर चुके हैं.
मैम, I want to ask, मैम आप मेंटल मैथ्स कराते हो क्लास 7 का?
क्लास
7th का मैम.
हाँ 7th का करवाते हैं.
यस मैम, बट हमें वीडियोस कहाँ पे मिलेंगी?
नहीं वीडियोस है, आप बस टाइप करो ग्रेड 7 हरिप्रिया मैम और चैप्टर नेम, दैट्स इट, यू विल गेट इट.
मैम मैं सोचना था मेंटल मैथ्स से करवाते हो.
क्या क्या?
मैम आई वांट टू आस्क कि आप मेंटल मैथ्स भी करवाते हो?
मेंटल मैथ्स नहीं, मेंटल मैथ्स नहीं. we did few videos on Vedic maths and all.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Acha, then we have Khanak. Okay, Khanak has a doubt. Let me first take doubts with people I have not spoken to yet.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi Khanak, good evening.
Ma'am, I have doubt in question number 15. If 12 upon 13
एक मिनट. 12 upon 13
power to 4
hmm,
into 13 upon 12 minus 8
hmm,
is equals to 12 upon 13 2x.
okay.
And then we have to find the value of x.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या बोला, whenever you get a variable you have to make sure that the bases are the same. तो बस ये बेस और ये बेस सेम है पर ये वाला सेम नहीं है, तो कैसे करें उसको आप बताओ.
मैम हम उसको रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे.
बस हो गया, आपने खुद का डाउट सॉल्व कर लिया.
मैम यस मैम, फिर जो उसकी पावर है मैम वो भी पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी.
बस फिर क्या करोगे आप इसके बाद?
मैम देन मैम हम जो मैम यहाँ पे जो 8 है हम उसको x को हम दूसरी तरफ लेके आएंगे 2x को, और जो 8 है हम उसको आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेस इट.
ओह माय गॉड, क्या कर रहे थे आप? आप ज्वाइन कब हुए सेशन? हाँ
मैम सॉरी, आज मैं थोड़ा सा लेट हुई थी, मैं इसको मतलब दोबारा देखूंगी.
देख लेना क्योंकि ऐसे वाला क्वेश्चन किया है, पर मैं अभी बता दूंगी. यहाँ पे द बेसिस आर द सेम, सो यू व्हाट यू डू, कीप द बेस एज इट इज. सिंस यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है और बेसिस सेम है तो आप एक्सपोनेंट को ऐड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, बेसिस सेम हो गया यहाँ पे, सो यू कैन इक्वेट योर एक्सपोनेंट्स, दैट्स इट. सो x इज इक्वल टू 2, सॉरी x इज इक्वल टू 6. ठीक है,
ओके मैम.
ओके
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके, चलो. अच्छा, who else is there? Okay, Shanvi, let's take Shanvi. Hi Shanvi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, my question is that knowing that light travels at a speed of 30 crore meter per second, express this speed in scientific notation.
अच्छा, 30 crore. सही लिखा मैंने?
Yes, ma'am.
3 into how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 to the power 8. ये हो गया आपका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म, एक्सपोनेंशियल नोटेशन.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो और कौन बचा? शानवी, गाइस अगर डाउट सॉल्व हो गया तो स्टॉप रेजिंग हैंड, नहीं तो कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. यस संस्कृति, टेल मी.
Yes, ma'am. Write the following number in expand forms. 279404.
279404.
404.
इसका आप बैठ के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करो, ठीक है. एक बड़ा सा एक नंबर आएगा, जो भी रिपीटेटिव प्राइम फैक्टर्स है काउंट, राइट इट एज 2 to the power. अगर 2 सपोज 8 बार आ गया सो 2 to the power 8. 3 अगर 3 तीन टाइम आएगा 3 to the power 3. दैट्स ऑल यू हैव टू डू हियर, ठीक है.
Thank you.
यू आर वेलकम. Supriya, yes, come on. Hi Preeti, I'm doing great. How are you? Yes, Supriya. Hi.
So, ma'am, my question is that in the bracket minus 4 by 5.
Minus 4 by 5.
Bracket closed to the power 2
Okay.
into
हाँ.
4 by 5
Okay.
to the power 5
Okay.
is equals to 4 by 5 to the power 6k plus 1.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है गाइस, क्योंकि आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैम बेस तो सेम नहीं है, यहाँ पे एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव है, तो क्या करें. तो नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. -1 multiplied with 4 by 5 whole to the power 2. Can I write -4 by 5 as -1 into 4 by 5? Yes or no? Supriya, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am, because 4 into 1 is 4 and the sign will be negative, so yes.
Exactly. So now -1 to the power 2 multiplied with 4 by 5 to the power 2. I can write this also. I've split the power here. है ना. A multiplied with B
Yes.
whole to the power n is A multiplied with n multiplied A to the power n multiplied with B to the power n, है ना. तो ऐसे इसीलिए मैंने 1 minus 1 square multiplied with 4 by 5 square लिख दिया है. Now what is -1 square?
Ma'am, it will be 1 only.
Exactly. So basically यहाँ पे instead of writing -4 by 5 whole square, I can write it as 1 multiplied with 4 by 5 square, है ना. तो इसको मैं यहाँ पे replace कर दूंगी. It will become 4 by 5 whole square multiplied with 4 by 5 to the power 5 is equal to 4 by 5 to the power 6k plus 1. तो इसके बाद आपको पता है कैसे करना है.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या करोगे.
Ma'am, we have to solve this like in according to the laws.
हाँ.
Like
तो करो, कैसे
we
करोगे.
will do 4 by 5 to the power 2 into 4 by 5 to the power 5. Ma'am, we will simply multiply and bases are same, so we will add the what is that called? Ma'am.
You're welcome. Chalo. Okay. So guys, with this, I will be ending the session because मेरे अभी गिर रहा है, and we will do the next session on 6th of December and the chapter is going to be rational numbers. ठीक है? The chapter is going to be rational numbers. I am going to see you in the next class. Until then, thank you so much. You people were lovely. Bye bye. The Google form link is in the description box. आप वहां से उठा सकते हो और वहां पे पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है? Okay. Do not forget to like the video if you have loved the session, and I hope I have clarified majority of the doubts. So अगर मैंने किसी का मिस कर दिया तो please I apologize. We will do another sprint session जहाँ पे मैं सब सारे doubts ले लूंगी. ठीक है? Okay.